Hello everyone, welcome to Organic Chemistry 2 Lab Experiment 4. Today we are going to do an aqueous cross-coupling reaction. We're starting with a 125 ml aluminum flask. This is pyruvate bromobenzoic acid. This is pyruvate phenolboronic acid. Now I will transfer these two chemicals into our reactor. This is pyruvate sodium carbonate. This is 15 ml of distilled water. We want to stir it to accelerate the dissolution process. Okay, now it's already fully dissolved. So we want to transfer the solution and the stirring bar into this 124 ml polymer flask. Now it's time to add palladium catalyst. This is 1 ml of palladium catalyst. Start heating. I'm using power level 4. We want to monitor the temperature with a thermometer. The ideal temperature for this reaction is 70 degrees Celsius. I must clarify that this is not the standard way to use a thermometer. However, this is really convenient for our experiment. That's why I'm using it like this. Make sure it's stirring without touching your thermometer. Now it's time to stop it. We could already see a lot of solid generated in our reaction. We want to cool it to room temperature. Now it's time to add 1 molar HCl. I measured 25 mL of 1 molar HCl with this graduated cylinder. Since the cylinder is too deep, I will first transfer HCl into a beaker. Then I add it with a dropper. You want to do it dropwise. This is how the crude product looks like after section filtration. The white solid in this beaker is our crude product. This is 4 mL of 1 molar HCl. This is 25 mL of ethanol. The procedure tells you to add ethanol slowly. The purpose is to minimize the amount of ethanol. However, to accelerate your experiment, you can start with 25 mL of ethanol. The wash glass is used to minimize the loss of your solvent. The procedure tells you to heat your solution to 70 degrees Celsius. However, you don't really need to monitor the temperature with the thermometer. Since the boiling point of ethanol is 78 degrees Celsius, you just need to make the temperature of your solution close to the boiling point of ethanol, but it's not really boiling. Specifically, you can heat your solution with power level 4. If boiling is observed, you can remove heating immediately by lowering your lamp jack. If there is still visible solid when it's boiling, you need to add more ethanol. Now let's get started. Now the white solid is fully dissolved, so it's time for us to stop heating. When cooling it in an ice bath, you want to scratch the inner wall of your beaker to generate more crystals. This is ethanol. The ice-cold ethanol will be used in section filtration. this is how the final product looks like after suction filtration.